Did you see TikTok is getting banned right now?
Bro, yeah, it's crazy. Dude, I saw that. I think like the house is trying to pass it or something
Are you good, bro?
Huh?
You good? You keep hiccuping.
Hey, I'm good, bro. I mean, dude, whenever I get the hiccups, bro, I've been getting it for like the past 2 weeks.
Dude,
It's
just try this.
What is this?
It's like a hiccup straw. You pretty much just drink through it and it stops your hiccups.
A straw?
Yeah.
Okay. Bro, no way they're just gone like that.
I swear. That thing's actually crazy. Like
That is crazy.
Even Mark Cuban said everyone's gonna have one in their medicine cabinet eventually.
Bro, yeah, this thing looks kind of funny, but I mean, it works instantly.
I know, bro. It's actually crazy.
I kind of want to get one now. Where can I get one of these?
Yeah, I mean, I'll send you the link. It's on TikTok Shop, but I'll also put it right here. It's 25% off right now.